Good morning, traders. I can't say good evening because it's the morning. Hey, traders, a quick video coming at you. I've got an OMNI Camp starting in just a little while, but I wanted to get this video out, which I am sorry I didn't put out last night. The OMNI Flip to Green video number 2378, and this is for trading on the 25th, and that would be Friday, 2022. And here's what I want to say. The Dow Jones Industrial Average hit one of my big gun averages. The OMNI flipped to green, and we got long the Dow this morning. OMNIACs are long, we are long, the Dow is long, I should say. OMNI's long the Dow, and it looks good right here. Now, is the bottom in completely? I don't know, but I can say this. I'm expecting a little more upside here, at least a couple of days up. That big gun average doesn't usually get hit. It did get hit, and boom, the market exploded from there. Plus, keep this in mind. There were a ton of what I like to call stops, right? And whenever I show you about stops, I put a circle, and I put that little X in the circle. Well, there are a ton, literally, of stops that were down here, underneath, and those stops were hit. So it's stops usually, a circle with an X. Those stops underneath here, boom, 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 were all taken out. The work is done. We spoke about this in my last video. They were going to go take out the work under, or the stops, I should say, under that last low. They've done that, but it hit my big gun average, and that prompted the OMNI to get long. I wanted to let you know about that. I am sorry I didn't put this out last night. Remember, this is a very risky game. Put your stops in first. Never trade without them. And remember this, stops are in, emotions are out. Traders, good luck out there. I'm sorry I didn't get this out to you last night, but it's early today, and let's see what we can do.